Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have, as there will be a new weekly opening. As we have seen that gold has a strong breakdown in an important level of support. Let's see how we can find trading opportunity in the beginning of trading week. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at first of all bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly time frame, we see that gold is a long term bullish market. If we look at the overall picture, we see that from this monthly support, gold has a significant bounce. With that strong bounce, gold has created a significant pullback. Now with that pullback, what we have seen that gold again has come back to another monthly support, and from that support we saw gold has a strong rejection, creating series of higher low, created another bullish engulfer. And with that bullish engulfer creation, previous months we saw that gold has closed with a monthly doji. Now, with the doji from this monthly previous resistance turn support, we have seen that gold has another bounce in the first week of the month, creating a long week candle. Now, this is a bullish signal. As you can see, gold in fact has significant movement to the upside, created all-time high. Now, with that all-time high creation, gold has a rejection, and with that rejection, what I think that gold might come down a little bit down to the pullback, and then we can expect another bullish move, as this is a long-term bull market. If we look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective, gold has formed a typical candle which is also significantly bullish. Now as you have seen in my previous weekly analysis as well as in the weekly forex forecast, this is what exactly I have mentioned, that gold is likely to bounce from here, and gold has done exactly as it is. You can watch this. I'll put that analysis below so that you can watch and learn more about it. Now, what we see that from the weekly perspective, if we look at overall picture, we see that there was an inverted head and shoulder along this zone, and then has broken to the upside from that inverted head and shoulder, signaling potential strong bullish move, followed by we saw a triangular pattern on the weekly. This is what also expected, and with the triangular pattern, after grabbing liquidity, gold has broken to the upside, followed by again back to back 2 weeks of pullback. And we saw that after this pullback, after previous weekly doji, gold again grab liquidity on the lower time frame, breaking this short term weekly support. And from that support, you can see that weekly candle just been penetrated, has broken down, grabbed the liquidity, and then form this bullish candle. Now this weekly candle is also significantly bullish. What I think that in the market opening, couple of scenarios may happen. The first scenario, we could see that gold again testing this weekly resistance level. If we draw that resistance, we see that uh, which is turning support here. So we see resistance here, and also resistance here, which is turning support here. We could see a retest of this support and then bounce to the upside. In another scenario, with an aggressive move, we could see a gap opening and then potential move to the upside. If we see especially a gap down, that could be a high probability that gold even immediately could rise to the upside. Now let's look at the daily time frame to see potential trading opportunity. Now from the daily, we see that gold has come to the daily 20 EMA, tested that important level, and then immediately rejected to the upside. Now if we readjust this weekly level for the daily, we can see that gold has exactly tested this previous resistance as a support, which is a smart money area. You can see this is the resistance here, which is turning support here. What I think that on the market opening, we could see initial attempt from the seller again, and then we can expect gold to continue to rise, as what is going up is likely to go up. That's the law of trading. Now we see that monthly, weekly, and daily aligning for a potential bullish momentum. Now let's look at the further lower time frame to see how the price action is forming. Now in this 4 hour time frame, we see that this is the liquidity candle on the one day. We saw that on the daily opening, immediate moved to the upside. There was a huge liquidity that triggered, and then gold has dropped to this important zone where this is the previous resistance here, which turns support here. And also you saw that the price is aligning with this dynamic support, which is the long term trend line that the price is respecting. What I think that on the market opening we could see initial pullback towards the downside, either gap opening or a slow movement. And after retesting this level, we could see a double bottom, or any kind of price action could lead gold to again move to the upside to fill that imbalance in that zone. So this is the zone that we will be waiting for a potential bullish trading opportunity. If the price is doing exactly according to the analysis, according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.